Lesson 6.5 is on discount and markup. So what you need to know before we even start is that stores sell items for more than what it pays for. So that increase that they do, that is the markup. The reason they mark up prices is so they make a profit. The percent of markup is a percent of increase because it is a positive. So the selling price is the amount that the customer pays for an item. So just some things you need to be aware of. So to find selling price, again, there's two methods. One, you can find the amount of markup first and then add that markup price to the original price, and then boom, you get what they sell it for in the store. Or method two, find the total percent by first adding 100% to the markup percent, and then you can find the selling price. Alright, again, it is a personal preference. We're going to do both. So our example here, find the selling price if a store pays $42 for a pair of inline skates, right, the wheels are just all in a row, and the markup is 25%. So the first method, all right, what we're going to do is we are going to take the price here, which is $42, and we are going to multiply it by our percentage, which is 25%, but we need to change that to a decimal, so 0.25, and if you multiply that out, the markup would be 10.5 or $10.50. But that's not our answer. That's just the markup. They're marking it up $10.50. What was the original price? All right, what they paid for? They paid for it $42 for it. They are going to mark it up $10.50. That's their profit. And so what they are going to sell it for in the stores is $52.50. So even though, yeah, it's over $50 for a pair of skates, the store's only making $10.50 on it. Now, the second method would be to take your 100%, all right, of what you're adding, which would represent that $42, take that 100% and add it to the markup percent, which is 25%, and that's going to give you, I'm going to try and squeeze it in here, 125, percent. Okay? Now, if we take our $42 and we multiply it by 125%, change it to a decimal, it's going to be 1 point because it was our 100%, our whole, plus that 25%. And we are going to get 52.5. What that means is $52.50 is the selling price. The methods, two different ways to solve a problem. It is a personal preference which one you like. Now, to use discount, a discount is the amount by which the regular price is reduced. So basically, it's your sale. The percent of discount is a percent of decrease. So to find sale price, two methods again. First one, find the amount of the discount, and then because it's a discount, you can use that DIS, all right? You are subtracting the discount from the original price. Or method two, find your total percent first by subtracting the discount percent from 100 and then multiply it. So our example, summer sports is having a sale. Volleyball has an original price of $59. It's on sale for 65% off the original price. So more than half is going to come off. So it's a big sale. Find the sale price of the volleyball. So method one says find the sale dollar amount first. So X is going to equal, we've got our $59, and we're going to multiply it by our 65%, which is 0.65. That will give you $38.35. That's how much the discount is. That's how much is coming off. So if you take $59 and you subtract the sale. You subtract what you're saving there. You're going to get $20.65. That is what the sale price is. That's what the store is going to sell it for. Now, method 2 says take that 100% of the original price and subtract what the discount is. The discount is $65, so you're only paying 35% of what the skates cost. So, to find the price that you're paying, $59 times your percent, and that's going to give you your $20.65. Alright, again, personal preference on which one you use. Alright, you could find the sale price and then subtract it, or just do the discount first, find out what you're paying, and then multiply that. 2 ways to do the same problem. And then finally, to find the original price, find your selling price by subtracting the discount percent from 100% from the whole. Write the percent proportion that we've been using, and then solve for the whole. So, for example, I think you say Enrique has 25% discount on, had a 25% discount on hockey equipment. The selling price was $172.50. What was the original price? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take that 100% and subtract our 25% to know what he paid for, right? And he paid for 75% of it. So if we make our percent proportion, first thing we can put in there is our 75% over our 100. Now, what we are finding is the whole. We are finding the denominator in this case. The selling price, what it is, was $172.50. So, if we cross multiply, use our percent proportion here and cross multiply, 75x is equal to 17,250. No, that's not your answer because you still need to divide. So x is going to equal 230, and we are talking about dollars. So the original price would be $230. With a 25% discount, it would be $172. You could easily check this by taking 230 and multiplying it by your 0.25 and then subtracting that amount from 230. If you don't get $172.50, then we did a mistake. We are going to practice a lot of this because this is what you are going to use outside of these classroom walls. So we will practice tomorrow in class. See you then.